Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be making my Halloween costume for this year. So this year I am being Harley Quinn from the Birds of Prey movie. Some people may argue, why are you making a costume this year? Halloween's not going to be the same. Just gives me something to do. You know, Halloween is a time where I thrive. I love Halloween. I love making my costumes every year. So yeah, that is why I'm doing it, because I just love Halloween so much. So I'm just going to show you what I've got and talk you through what I've got to make. Okay, so in terms of what I have already, I've got this bright neon pink bodysuit. So I know in the actual film she has like a crop top, but me personally I prefer a bodysuit. So I've just got this bright neon pink bodysuit that matches it perfectly. I've got these denim shorts, which I did start painting on, and I'm going to just take pictures, but I never finished them. Thank you, neck shorts, but I'm just going to use them because I'm not going to continue painting them. So I'll probably just take a picture of Thank You Next pocket and then post it on Instagram, and then just paint over it and then cut it and make them, you know, match the outfit. I ordered these red braces, just costume braces from Amazon. Yeah, they weren't expensive at all, just costume braces. I also ordered this little necklace. I am going to be making some necklaces and buying some different ones to like build up. Yeah, we'll get to that, but I just got this as a main one to build around. For the jacket, we have caution tape, which I ordered, which isn't too expensive. But I had this already left over from my Riverdale party, so it's coming in nicely. I've got a bunch of different coloured felts, which I'm going to cut into strips to stick on the jacket. And last of all, we have a raincoat, which is a long one, but I'm going to cut the size and change up. So that is everything I have. Obviously I have all my craft supplies that I always have. So we're just going to take one thing at a time and make this costume. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is start the jacket. So I feel like this is the bit that we're going to take the longest to do. So first I'm just going to put it on and then cut it to the right length. Now there is small like accurate options, but I just went for the cheaper option because we love saving money. So I need to crop it about, you can't really see, so I need to crop it about here. So that is what I'm going to do. I might cut off the hood as well. I'll figure that one out in a minute. Here I am cropping the raincoat, and I'm also going to cut off the hood to make it as accurate to the original as possible. Now I'm just cutting all the strips to go on the jacket. Took me a little while, but we got there eventually. Again, just cutting more strips of the felt this time, all different colours. I'm just doing a bunch of each colour, just so I have enough for the jacket. And that is all the strips done. So here I'm just gluing down the strips, alternating the colours so it's odd. Doing it from the bottom of the sleeve upwards to create the same effect Harley's jacket has. Random outtake check. Now I'm cutting the bottoms of the shorts, so they had frills. I'm just cutting the frills off so that they're plain and ready to go. So for the sledgehammer, I am using a biscuit tin and a wooden rolling pin. I saw the end of the rolling pin off one end. I can't speak right now. And I simply made a dent in the tin, and I'm just going to hot glue those together. So now I'm just painting the sledgehammer. You can look up reference pictures online. I'm just painting the tin part of it brown to make it look like wood, and then I will be painting the actual handle itself like a blue, and then adding the design onto it. Here I am making a star stencil to be able to easily stamp stars onto the shorts, and I'm simply just painting on the design of Harley's shorts. I'm using acrylic because I'm only using the shorts for one night. If you want longevity, then definitely use fabric paint. So here I'm just taking a bunch of my necklaces and some old bracelets and mixing the two together to make some different chains. Harley Quinn in Birds of Prey has a lot of necklaces, so to create the effect I'm just taking apart some of my bracelets, old bracelets, and I can reattach them afterwards, so I'm not ruining them. Yeah. Now I'm just making the little bone, the little dog tag for one of the necklaces that Harley has. I'm simply making this out of cardboard and tinfoil because it's easy and it does the job. So here I am just hot gluing some yarn to the end of the sledgehammer to cover up the handle part of the rolling pin. So this part you can easily do with pen, which I am, or paint, but just basically paint on or draw on the design of the hammer. So this was taken the night of Halloween. This is me getting ready, so doing my Harley Quinn Birds of Prey inspired makeup look and hair. So obviously I don't have bangs, so I just done what I could and then made the makeup look as accurate as I possibly could. And this is the final result. I hope you love it as much as I do. Yeah,